Alright guys, it's Ricky Repairs back in again today. This morning my wife told me that when she made a left or right turn, she heard a noise coming out of the wheels. First thing I told her to check if there was any leaks, and there's no leaks. But what I noticed when she got home and I checked her fluid for power steering, was this one right here. Look at that. It's very low, so it has to be right here, in between right here where it says add and full. Let's go and wipe that down and add some transmission fluid there, as is recommended by the owner's manual. So all I did is wipe it down, put it back in. Try to pull it up, it won't come out. Check the fluid. See, it has to be at least right here. Alright, let's go ahead and add some fluid. So the owner's manual says you have to use the automatic transmission fluid +4, which is the Mopar 4. But if you don't have that, you just get the automatic transmission fluid. It has to be ATF +4. Alright, let's go ahead and add it. After that, check the level. Alright, so after you top it off, make sure it's between right here. This one is hot, full hot. If it's below here, go ahead and add it. But if you check in the morning, it should be in between right here where it says add and full. It should be in between here. But if it's hot, make sure you have it in between here and this one down here where it says add. If it's below that, go ahead and add some. Alright, so there you guys have it. For this one, you need the automatic transmission fluid. If you have a Dodge or a Chrysler dealer to buy the transmission fluid nearby, if not, you can use any automatic transmission fluid, but it has to be the +4. Alright, so there you guys have it. So we were low on power steering fluid. All right, make sure you add some if you need to add some. All right, so there you guys have it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.